Welcome to the Master Dealer Program Training Series. In this training, we will review the installation process. Once a sales representative has successfully completed the sale, general contractors will be required to place their orders exclusively through a dedicated e-commerce platform. While ordering, it is important to make sure that the products requested match the specifications and that they do not exceed the amount quoted to the customer at the sales appointment. In general, the complete ordering and installation processing is carried out in 5 steps. Ordering and delivery, where the products are ordered and delivered to the installation site. Scheduling installation, which is the step where the general contractor contacts the consumer to schedule the work. Starting installation, which includes the dry fit, when applicable, as well as the initial steps to begin the work. Installation completed, where the installation is completed and the general contractor documents it through photos and forms. And finally, the invoicing and payment, where the work is invoiced, the funds are secured, and all involved parties are paid. Once the products are either en route or delivered, the general contractor can start contacting the consumer to schedule the date and time to begin the installation. The general contractor must contact the consumer the contact options provided in the work order. It is recommended that the general contractor provides more than one installation appointment to the consumer. After the consumer agrees to the installation date, the general contractor must update the work order accordingly. The system will automatically send confirmation emails to both the general contractor and the customer. 24 hours before the installation, both the general contractor and the consumer receive an email reminder. A final reminder is sent to the consumer on the day of the installation. On the scheduled installation date, the general contractor must arrive at the installation site at the agreed time and begin the installation. As a first step, ensure that all necessary parts have been received. This prevents delays if parts are needed later on and were not originally provided. Then the general contractor should conduct a dry fit test. This should be done to ensure that all components fit and align with the available space, and that all measures taken are correct. If the dry fit fails or parts are missing, the general contractor should cancel the work order and handle returns while informing the MDP team about the cancellation. If the dry fit is successful and all parts are present, the installation process can begin. The work should be continued until the installation is completed. Once the installation is completed, the general contractor should take pictures of the completed job, complete all necessary forms, and provide the information to the MDP team. The MDP team will review the updated work order, and if needed, they will contact the general contractor to request any information that may be missing. Once the consumer pays the amount that was owed and the payment is processed, the funds will be distributed to the involved parties. This will vary if the MDP team or the general contractor ordered the product. Upon payment confirmation, the MDPI team should be informed about the payment completion. At this point, the payments should be distributed to the proper parties, and once this is done, the work order should be marked as done. Thank you for watching and listening to this training. If you need additional details, please do not hesitate to review the additional documents provided or contact our specialists.